I'm going. Hey man, moquette of come on. Tuanya punya coba ngol, punya coba. Oh my god. Ini nama mereka masuk, ini mereka masuk. Kerana TV, TV, kalau semua, yang kerja juga kan ada ini, kalau kau lebih sama itu. Ambo pun, ini ada beberapa apa? Mana nak kena, bos, mana? So dog deh. Dengan just kena. Dog jod, kalau house kena. Dog jis, pokoknya dog. Di another train lah, di benar train. Kemana kan ni? Dia noki buka deh. Ini juga nasi masak bersama. Let's go. Terus sini. Di sini kan. Punya emang dem. Ada seperti headquarters. So quality day from there. Do not forget to share our live with your friends, family members, so that they can know what's happening here in the Gambia operation the road. Around UPTC garage. Yesterday we were here. Yeah, you see how open, wide, big. So excuse. Man, yan chol, yan naman mo yan chol. Man yan chol. That's the man of action. Yeah, Mr. Mane. You see how he is working. It's just like this runner. And if you don't run after him, actually, what you want to see. You see how open the way is, the hospital way as well. You can see most of the time is the way that the ambulance used when they are a visit. Wow, jërëjëf waay. So yeah. Nice Gambia. Always comment and share it. Positive messages every time because we always say nice to be nice. Nice Gambia. Just say it please. I just move fast. Baudo.
press and clear the road. So hopefully today they're going to close right.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Omar Naba. Omar Naba.
Sorry, huh?
Yes.
Bro, I calculate that.
No, ne abu ne aja pada banjiran. Aja pada banjiran. Palu la tam. Palu. Ala fo palu e findina. Yani mbala no wapile to boni. Drop. Al palu kuma ni man kai mo to. Are, what was I doing? To hell with it. Yes, sir.
He was trying to tell Palu not to park here. Palu just closed from work. And then he get inside to relax. So he's advising Palu to not park here because it's a road, not a parking car area. See, Mr. Monitor telling them to tell the owner of that veranda over there to clear out the veranda because it's on the road. And then they also are sitting on the road closer to the main road, which is not safe. Some of the cars sometimes lose of brake, so they can easily cause accident. They are so happy about that advice, and then they are praying for him. May Allah reward him. Nice Gambia. Lucky child on the road. Lucky child right now behind the camera, as you know. As we always said, let you know that we always represent the nation, blue, great for the Gambia, motherland. All these things have to be cleared out because they are all on the road. You see where the road is. You can able to spot the car and where the buildings are.
Ye min foye koye man la fini ni ada de ka bondi do bande do mande woy son tala loi mi Bani na ta ya ta man ta fena wala balanta.
Wala no pure ke la pure no ko ta
Jumala comparo. Amari enana. Because it's not for this purpose. Cannot allow program. This is kind of business. This community.
The guy is trying to say that here is belong to somebody. The building owned by the house owner. So what he is trying to tell him that so close to the main road, right? You can spot the main road and where the business center is, which he is trying to tell them that there's no one given the authority for them to build there, and they are not paying tax for that. They are paying rental for the house owner here, but here is not the owner of the house.
Structures that's what I said. But coming from Malafikan Akala program, so we will another Kayama, Mola, Bondiano, Walla Mula. I'll be Bondian, that's what we said.
Here I go. This is the national road clear from Banjul, the capital city, to the ending right at the moment. So what I got for you today, we got to show you the Fonyi Highway down in Brikama Bay today. So as you can see, the full battalion, you can have the Gambian soldiers, and then the army and forces, and simply the way you can have the military, paramilitary, and then here I go, you can have Mr. Money and the crew right at the moment in Brikama. That's the Fonyi Highway. So today we're going to clear the Fonyi Highway down in Brikama right now. So we got to cover you what will be in here today. So subscribe, like it. Fatima will be behind the camera and she will take you through the journey right at the moment. So I will be telling you about it. You guys somebody Johnny Junto, you tell the guys somebody wants to talk about it. Go nice Gambia Bali, Jangal and Fomo Jude, Abanyan and about soldier or Jela, police or Jela, police from filming Gambia armed forces right now. So if you don't get money, be in the battalion or be right at the moment, being gonna Fonyi Highway in Lepondi, Nyokonaka, clear Qatar. So I'm again nice Gambia kana clear money na the bull. So right now I'm going to pale coming go. Bullem yanongo is part of our development gam Bangola nyato talem. So dole ajele come to nalem na subscribe dole ba in Germany OMS kapintala ba felenting nala kacha kona gatani coming go niajibe I don't feel well mon don't feel because lokela family balunde world up but niajibe ponang nimu Gambia mumela nyato talfi because of niajibe dolla wa feel from kalandi siol ka bolla tamot la kon e katra world. So right now nice Gambia bali jang mbal sambola kono dos mamboka yi Fatima mo neka ci gannaaw caméra bi in case ku déggul lu ma wax ci biir sosé ak angale dam leen di wane leen subscribe leen ngeen like video bi basically ngeen see ko right now Gambia Armed Forces ak paramilitary ñoo fi nekk tey right at the moment bi mooy Fonyi Highway bi so mané ak kuréel bi ñooy ñëw tey pour clear Fonyi Highway bi ni pour la wonal ne pour open way bi because lu ñu wax mooy accident yi daf lay bari ci yoon bi so ñu ngi save the life of Gambian citizens right in the Gambia. So show them and everywhere.
Can you turn back and show them what they wrote on your sat? Can you turn back and show them what they wrote on the behind of yours?
Check it.
Operation Clear the Roads.
Operation
Clear the roads.
I'll never clear nice Gambia subscribe and like it basically say it to the four corner of the world.
Yeah.
Gambia can killing Sunday killing a camping a cake killing tea. One love, one heart, one blood, one family, more can come from more can attack Gisola. Gambia and Bola development called develop by Tanyato. So I love Peter and Internet, subscribe and like on Kafali.